Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have a huge update today. An Uber passenger was just arrested after hitting a driver. We're gonna take a look at the video today and let's get started, my friends. This is big. So here we have it, my friends. New York Post, Uber customer turns self in after video shows him allegedly assaulting driver. Oh, that's a different story. An Uber customer who was reportedly captured on dash cam video attacking the driver in Phoenix has turned himself into authorities. Jackson Ackley, 38 years old, was charged with misdemeanor assault in connection to the nasty altercation with rideshare driver Jonathan Carroll on Sunday. Carroll picked up the man in the Levine area about 2 a.m. after it took him several minutes to find the passenger. Carroll tried to explain the delay, but Ackley responded with nasty comments, prompting the driver to ask him to get out. You really won't drive me home, bro? Ackley says, no, I won't. Carroll replies, wow, all right. The irate passenger says before he begins pummeling him. I got you on dash cam, dude. On Monday, the suspect turned himself in after seeing the footage. Wow, so maybe he was intoxicated. Yeah, he was intoxicated and upset, and the victim refused to transport him. So, I mean, I guess he did that so he wouldn't have, you know, worse punishment. But the driver, who's estimated he has given more than 13,000 rides, said he's never feared for his safety. Part of me really wanted to fight this guy, but the better part of me said, don't do it. You don't know if he's got a knife, he could stab you, or if he has a gun, he could shoot you. Wow, that's crazy. The statement, Uber rep said it's disturbing to watch the attack against the driver. Violence of any kind is not tolerated on the platform and the rider has been deactivated. We stand to assist law enforcement with their investigation. So, let's take a look at the video here. We should be able to watch it somewhere. I do know that the Rideshare Professor did report on this story. Shout out to him, check him out, his page, he's really awesome. And yeah, I believe he has the video here. Yeah. It starts right about here. He said, you just don't know how to get there, that's all.
It's really right here, that simple. It shows me here, you got lost, that's all. I didn't get lost at all. Yeah, you did.
He's like, you got lost. He's like, I didn't get lost at all.
I didn't. Smart, okay. So guess what? You got how to go, right? No, I can't. Why? I did it now. You're being sick. I'm gonna take, bro. No, I'm not, though. Sure. No, you're right. Sure. You really want to run home, bro? No. Wow, you're alright? Yeah. You're such an asshole.
Wow.
Fuck you that shit, bro. Fuck you that shit, bro.
Wow.
I got you on dash cam, dude. Fuck that guy. I got you on dash cam, dude.
Got your dash cam, baby. Got your dash cam, baby. We gonna find your ass, Captain Jailbird.
Yeah, so anyways, guys, that passenger ended up turning himself in. That was the driver right here, Carroll. Great guy, by the way, reacted perfectly. I mean, just kept his cool. And this was the guy turning himself in, and he's arrested. So, there you have it, my friends. That's the update with this video. And let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.